Atoms. Atoms are the basic units of matter and are the defining structure of an element. This is the carbon atom. Now, atoms are made up of three different particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. The atomic nucleus is found at the center of the atom and is the location of the protons and the neutrons. Now, protons are positively charged particles that are located in the center of the atom, again, in that nucleus. They have a mass of 1 AMU, which stands for atomic mass unit. Protons are usually identified by the plus sign here to represent their positive charge. And protons are used to identify the atomic number of an element. They're also then used to identify the element itself. Now, this carbon atom has 6 protons. Because it has 6 protons, its atomic number is going to be 6. An element with the atomic number of 6 is carbon. Neutrons are neutrally charged particles, which means they have no charge. They're also located in the center along with the protons, so they're located in that nucleus. And just like protons, they also have a mass of 1 AMU. So neutrons usually do not have any symbol written on them because they do have that neutral charge. Neutrons and protons both have a mass of 1 AMU. So they are used together to identify the atomic mass of the atom. So this carbon atom here has 6 protons and 6 neutrons. If you add them together, that would give them a mass of 12. So carbon has an atomic mass of 12. Finally, electrons are negatively charged particles. Now, these are located on the outside of the nucleus within that orbital cloud. And just like all matter, they do have mass, but it is so small that it rounds to 0, which means we don't count it when we count the atomic mass of an atom. Now, electrons are negative and protons are positive. So we use them to determine the electrical charge of an atom. And in most cases, electrons and protons will match, meaning that the atom will become neutral. So in this carbon atom, there are 6 positive protons and 6 negative electrons, which means they're going to combine for a charge of 0. So we would have positive 6 and a negative 6. And that's how we get the charge of 0. Now, valence electrons, these are very special, and they're located in the last electron shell. They're special because they are the ones that can be used for bonding with other atoms. Now, if you notice, this carbon atom here has 2 electron shells. This is the first one, and this is the second one. And if we see here, there's 4 electrons in that last shell, which means it has a valence electron number of 4. How many neutrons does this atom have? The correct answer is 4. How many valence electrons does this atom have? Just 1. And what element is this atom? Well, this is lithium. There are 3 protons, so its atomic number is 3. And if we look at the periodic table, on the periodic table, the element with atomic number 3 is lithium. Thank you for watching another Adventures in ISTEM and Beyond video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more Adventures in ISTEM and Beyond videos. For more ideas on how to incorporate science, technology, and skills for life into your classroom, go to adventuresinISTEM.com.